Today, we're diving into something that's got everyone's heart racing. 10 ways to make your crush like you. Oh yeah, we're going there. Now, before we jump in, let me remind you that love is a funny thing. You can't really control who you have a crush on, but you can certainly influence how things unfold. So, let's explore some strategies that can help you turn those feelings of admiration into a mutual connection. Number 10. My friends, authenticity is key. Be yourself, unapologetically. You see, there's something utterly irresistible about someone who's genuine, flaws and all. Embrace your quirks, because those are the things that make you uniquely attractive. Number 9. It's all about confidence, not arrogance. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and believe in your worth. Confidence is magnetic, but remember, there's a thin line between confidence and cockiness. Number 8. Show a genuine interest in them. Listen actively, ask questions, and pay attention to their stories. People adore when they feel heard and understood, so be the one who truly gets them. Number 7. Take care of yourself. Physical attraction plays a role, but it's not everything. Exercise, eat well, and maintain good hygiene. When you feel good about yourself, others can't help but notice. Number 6. Be a source of positivity. Smile often, share laughter, and focus on the brighter side of life. Optimism is contagious, and your crush will be drawn to the good vibes you bring. Number 5. Nurture your passions. Engage in activities you love and let your enthusiasm shine. Passion is attractive because it exudes energy and a zest for life that's downright infectious. Number 4. Give them space. While it's great to show interest, don't smother them. Respect their boundaries and allow them room to breathe. Remember, healthy relationships thrive on balance. Number 3. Be a good friend. Build a foundation of trust and connection. Support them through ups and downs and let them know you're there for them no matter what. Number 2. Playfully tease them. Light-hearted banter creates a sense of intimacy and shows you're comfortable around them. Just remember, keep it fun and respectful. No one likes a mean-spirited tease. And finally, number 1. Patience, my friends. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are strong, meaningful relationships. Take your time, let things unfold naturally, and enjoy the journey. Also, download the free approach blueprint to learn how to meet and attract women anywhere. So there you have it, folks. 10 ways to enhance your chances of making your crush like you. But always remember, whether they end up liking you or not, your worth isn't determined by someone else's feelings. You're awesome just the way you are. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more no-nonsense advice. Until next time, stay authentic, stay confident, and stay amazing. Catch you on the flip side.